Welcome to Django Admin Panel customization video series. So in the first two video we have seen first and second question of this blog. Now let's move to the third questions. So third question is how to register a model in Django Admin Panel. So for this we are going to use same project, but project will be not sufficient. So for that we need to create a Django app. For creating a Django app, Python manage.py start app. We will give our app name API. So as you can see here, a API folder is created with the sets of file. So now let's create a model. For creating a model, we need to come models.py file. Let's copy it. So we are going to create a student model with sets of field: first name, last name, age, gender, address, school name, standard, father name, mother's, parent contact number, profile image. Now let's migrate it. Python manage.py migration. So no changes detected. So this is coming because we haven't registered our model. So whenever you are creating a project, so first thing, do register your model in install apps. So we have registered our. Now let's run this make migration commands. So as you can see, a file is created in the migration folder. Now let's migrate it. Python manage.py migrate. So successfully migrated. Let's run our server. So server is running successfully. Login. So a student model is not reflecting in Django admin panel. For this we need to register our model in admin.py file. Let's import our student model. Admin.register student admin.model admin. So save it. So server is running successfully. Let's refresh it. As you can see here, a student model is coming. So if you click here, add student, you can see list of the field we have declared while creating a model. Thank you.